So we've got the tower built, we've got all the hardware. This will show us how to interface to the Synapse plug meter and through the radio. So this is the plug meter. That's the MAC address. You need to note that now. You're going to need that later. Write down your MAC address for the plug meter. And here are the instructions for it. Connect the mini USB cable to the P1 tower module's port on the underside of the board under the SID, which is where it should be already. Connect the Ethernet cable. That should already be connected. Here we are. This is the command prompt. I hit enter just to make sure that we are still connected. And now we're going to configure the hardware. So here is my MAC address for C4ED. We'll go ahead and plug that into the power strip. Here's the Synapse radio USB dongle. And we will be plugging that into the tower kit. So let's plug this into the power strip. We'll go ahead and plug the hairdryer in. Let's refer back to the instructions. Do not plug in the USB yet until you run this command. We're going to select mod probe CP1025. We'll copy that and paste that into the terminal. And now we've set up the USB port with the correct driver for that Synapse USB dongle. Now step 6, we plug the Synapse USB dongle into either port on the P1 tower module. And now we need to, at the terminal, for me it's through hyperterminal, we need to put this next command in. And this just registers the device and launches it through the operating system. So we'll copy this command. At the prompt there, press enter. Now the USB dongle will be registered and running for the OS. Now we're going to bring up the web page, and the IP address is correct. Should be 192.168.1.1/plug.html. And that'll bring us to the main page for the Synapse device here. So here it is. And referring back to the directions, so we need to now enter the address that's listed for the plug. So there's this 4CC508 minus 4CC4ED. And by default, the relay will be on. So I'm going to put in my address here. It's not case sensitive. Turn the hairdryer on. We'll set the relay to off. Now the hairdryer has stopped working. Go back and we'll turn the relay back on. Hairdryer comes on again. Okay, now let's read the RMS voltage back. We'll submit that. We'll see the RMS voltage is 122.98. And let's select the RMS current. Almost 3 amps. And I'm going to turn the hairdryer high now. Almost 6 amps. And referring back to the instructions, we'll see that this concludes the demonstration.